Alright, so this video is going to be about doing some conversions with measurement. And so I want you to get one of these papers and you're going to cut it out. I'm going to pause while I cut it out. So now it looks something like this, okay? And I'm actually going to glue it in the front of your math journal or the very back, okay? And some of you have like a conversion thing in the back. It's okay. Go ahead and glue this one on top of it. You could glue it on the very last page if you wanted to. But the real point is you want to be able to get to this page pretty easily because for any measurement problem, you're going to want to be able to see this chart, okay? So I'm putting mine on the very front. So, and do yourself a favor and make sure that it's actually glued down at all the little corners, because otherwise it's going to fall out, and then you won't have it, and then you'll have to do these problems without it, and that will be very sad for you. So, all right. So you've got that glued in, and now turn to the next clean page, okay? And we are going to go ahead and start our page on measurement conversions, okay? Measurement conversions. Okay, so this is a type of proportion, okay, and it's a proportion where I just use whatever's on here to set up my ratio, okay. So in a measurement conversion, okay, when converting units of measure, set up a ratio with the standard conversion on one side and the problem on the other. All right, so what does that mean? Okay, so let's say my problem is, 4 cups equals question mark pints. Okay, that's my problem. So I turn to my handy dandy chart, and I see that 1 pint equals 2 cups. Okay, so 1 pint equals 2 cups. Okay? It is really important now that I put everything over here in the same order. So I always make a little note for myself that I've done pints over cups. Okay? 1 pint, 2 cups. I'm looking for a question mark pint, so I'm going to do P for pint. And I have 4 cups. Okay? So now I can set up my butterfly. Okay, so 4 times 1, or 4, is going to be equal to 2 times the number of pints. Okay, and so I have to divide both sides by 2. Okay, so 4 divided by 2 is 2. So 4 cups equals 2 pints. Okay, and that should totally make sense to you because they just told you that there are, in every pint, there are 2 cups. So if I had, this was a pint, then I have 2 cups in here, and this was a pint, and I have 2 cups in here. So cup, 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 pint, pint, 2 pints, 4 cups. Okay? So let's do liters and milliliters. Okay? So I want to know 5.3 liters equals question mark milliliter. Okay, so again, I've got to make sure that I set this up the same for both sides. So I'm going to do liters over milliliters. Okay, and then I'm actually going to do the opposite, milliliters over liters, to just show that it doesn't matter as long as it stays the same. Okay, so 1 liter equals 1,000 milliliters. Okay, 1 liter equals 1,000 milliliters. Okay, so in my problem, I have 5.3 liters, and I want to know how many milliliters. Okay, so do my butterfly. Milliliters equals 1,000 times 5.3. Okay, so 1,000 times 5.3. 2, 3, 3. Place holding 0. 1, 2, 3, 5. 1 decimal place. 5,300 milliliters. Okay, 5,300 milliliters. Okay, I'm going to try the same thing where I set both of them up with the milliliters on top. So 1,000 milliliters is 1 liter, and I have 5.3 liters, and I want to know how many milliliters. Okay. See how what I have in my butterfly winds up being the same? M equals 5.3 times 1,000, which is what I just did here. Okay, 5,300. So it doesn't matter which one you do as long as the two sides on either side of the equal sign stay the same. Okay, so that is how you do measurement conversions.